Good morning or evening, ladies and gentlemen, whenever you're watching this. Today's video is really short. It's basically just entry and exit from a position. I had some work, so had to exit out of the position quite early. The day opened flat after a really long time, and it led to a massive crash in the put side prices. And I think the only thing to note with today is that there's a lot of underlying downside bias in the market, and that was being priced into the option. That bias finally seems to have reduced quite a lot. Put options have crashed an immense amount overnight just by the fact that we opened flat. So that being the case, had just entered the position. IV was quite high in the morning, and in about 45 minutes of trading, IV fell off and gave a little bit more than a 0.5% return on capital, and that's where I took the exit. I will catch you guys tomorrow. There's going to be a lockdown in Bangalore, so might be working from home. We'll have to figure that out. So we'll catch you soon. Have a great trading day.
Want to meet like minded traders and discuss option strategies, adjustments, and more? Just type in Discuss Nifty in your Telegram search box and join the friendly trader community.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's 9:30 and I've just entered the positions for the day. The broader idea is that this 14,700 range should act as a resistance, and our recent swing lows of 14,250 and below 14,200, that range should act as a support, and more or less consolidation should continue. And to play that, have sold the 14,200 put, and the 14,750 call has a width of 550 points, and the position is up marginally a little more than 3 points because there was a IV spike in the morning that we benefited from. One more thing is, from a pricing perspective, options prices are now less biased to the downside. Previously we had a pretty large bias to the downside, but some of that has cooled off. And yeah, basically a lot of decay has happened in put options overnight. They've crashed considerably, and that shows you that this whole expectation of the market will fall, that bias of the market has slightly started to shift. That fall is not being priced in anymore. So that being the case, we'll keep you posted. The time is 9:30. There isn't much to note. Bank Nifty more or less flat. Reliance is rocketing away. IT more or less flat. And the idea for the rest of the day will be just to hold range and not to do any adjustments in the range of 14,450. So yesterday's low, below yesterday's low, will not be making any changes to this position, and below 14,600 will not be making any changes to this position. We'll keep you posted. Time is 9:30. Okay, so one change made is book the 14,200 put and moved it to 14,250. The calls are in the brink of expanding. They're only 200 points away, so I have moved the puts closer. Now the puts are 300 points away. The reason is we are holding this range. We didn't test here and get particularly rejected. We still might, but in case we make an up move from here, these calls will really start to expand quite fast. So to protect against that, have moved up the puts to 14,250. The time is 9:53. We'll keep you posted. Okay, I have some work that's come up, so we'll have to be cutting out the position for today. So hopefully shouldn't be much slippage in this process. Um, I can see the slippage as I place the order. During the call side expansion, had moved like 30% of the calls to 14,800. Okay. Okay, so that is more or less the day complete. So yeah, some work, so I have to head out. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Most likely there's going to be a shutdown in Bangalore, so I'll either be working from home or we'll figure out all of the semantics later. Thank you so much for watching. Basically, today was one of those days where we opened flat. IV was quite high. The open IV cooled off, and that gave us about 3 points change. Roughly, we were sitting in 4 points. We gave up 1 point in slippage due to the market. We'll catch you tomorrow. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching. Please post any questions you have in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. To find us on Twitter, Telegram, and Facebook, use the username NiftyBN. Also, we post some of our trades to the community tab, so do not forget to check that from time to time.